Today, I'm going to be taking a look at this slim case by PoweredbyNES. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. I have with me today a case by PoweredbyNES. I thought I would mix it up a bit and feature a case for females. I ran across their products online and was impressed by the patterns and designs that they offered. These cases are $16 online. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look at the case. This is a shop that has a presence on Etsy. Right now they have 46 different designs, from marble to retro, geometric, floral, carbon. Too much to name, so check this site out. The cases are a high impact, durable plastic, and the image process printing allows for it to be scratch resistant, non-peeling, and non-fading. You can get them from various phone models, from iPhones to Google and Samsung. And you can get it in either a matte or glossy finish. This is the geometric marble pink case. I have the matte finish. You can see the branding on the bottom here. The buttons are exposed on both sides, along with the top and the bottom. This is a hard, durable plastic. So let's go ahead and install it on the phone. Very easy to install, snaps in with ease. It has a very sleek feel to it. Here's the side view, the bottom, and the other side. And the top view of the phone. The bevel is not raised, so a screen protector would help here. And now you see the camera protection, just a slight protection, it's not as deep. The geometric marble case by PoweredbyNES. It's a beautiful case, but won't give you the drop protection like the other cases I have reviewed. But everyone has different preferences. These cases will definitely cater to the minimalists out there who are preserving the look of their device. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.